How about Junior Street? Junior Street, you guys bring up to 5 and 6. Junior Street 5 and 6. High School 1 and 2. I'll put out first call also for juniors to the split lane, please. That's majors and minors to the split lane. The first call to juniors to the split lane, please. Rocky Woods left side, took it on at Curtis Sprayberry. That's Thunderstruck. He came up here and straightened me out on that.
We have two. We need to call them.
Sprayberry's 88 on the street, left side 154. Sprayberry goes 1146 at 118. Left side's 1460 at 91. We got a problem down there with the sensor. We're going to have to run down and take a look at them sensors real quick in the quarter mile. Again, Junior Street 5 and 6. High School 1 and 2. Juniors to the split lane.